Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some clinical trials trivia. What process assesses the efficacy of new treatments? A. Drug approval, or B. Clinical trial, epidemiological study, or D. Meta analysis? The correct answer is B. Clinical trial. Which organization regulates clinical research in the U.S.? A. CDC, or BMH, or C, or D. AMA? The correct answer is C. FDA. What document outlines study protocol and methods? A. Experiment summary, or B. Study protocol, or C. Research guidelines, or D. Data analysis plan? The correct answer is B. Study protocol. What is the group receiving treatment in a trial called? A. Intervention group, or B. Test subjects, or C. Control group, or D. Case participants? The correct answer is A. Intervention group. What term describes a trial that has not started? A. Planned trial, or B. Pending trial, or C. Ongoing trial, completed trial? The correct answer is A. Planned trial. What term denotes random assignment in trials? A. Trial design, or B. Randomization, or C. Control group, or D. Sampling method? The correct answer is B. Randomization. What is the term for a participant who drops out? A. Disqualification, or B. Withdrawal, or C. Retirement, or D. Exit strategy? The correct answer is B. Withdrawal. What type of study uses statistical methods to assess trends? A. Cohort study, or B. Meta-analysis, or C. Survey study, or D. Case study? The correct answer is B. Meta-analysis. What type of trial does not involve new treatment? A. Clinical trial, or B. Observational study, or C. Double-blind study, or D. Randomized trial? The correct answer is B. Observational study. What is a design featuring multiple treatment arms? A. Multi-arm study, or B. Cross-sectional study, or C. Longitudinal cohort, or D. Single-arm trial? The correct answer is A. Multi-arm study. What statistical method looks for significant effects? A. Hypothesis testing, or B. Descriptive statistics, or C. Data visualization, or D. Correlation analysis? The correct answer is A. Hypothesis testing. What is the goal of a crossover trial design? A. Maximize treatment effects, or B. Minimize sample size, or C. Comparison over time, or D. Eliminate control group? The correct answer is C. Comparison over time. What does blinding in trials prevent? A. Data manipulation, or B. Participant bias, or C. Statistical errors, or D. Participant dropout? The correct answer is B. Participant bias. What ethical principle requires risk assessment? A. Cost effectiveness analysis, or B. Risk benefit analysis, or C. Autonomy principle, or D. Informed consent? The correct answer is B. Risk benefit analysis. What quality measure assesses the accuracy of results? A. Validity, or B. Consistency, or C. Reliability, or D. Precision? The correct answer is A. Validity. What type of research examines existing interventions? A. Systematic review, or B. Meta-analysis, or C. Experimental design, or case study? The correct answer is A. Systematic review. What does informed imply in informed consent? A, emotional readiness, or B, legal approval needed, or C, understanding, or D, awareness of risks? The correct answer is C, understanding. What type of trial examines current treatment standards? A, historical review, or B, clinical study, or C, experimental trial, or D, controlled trial? The correct answer is D, controlled trial. What term defines the influence of investigators on results? A, confirmation bias, or B, double-blind design, or C, investigator bias, or D, sample size? The correct answer is C, investigator bias. What term refers to the systematic collection of patient data? A, health archives, or B, patient records, or C, medical history, or D, data collection? The correct answer is D, data collection. Who conducts the review of ethical standards in trials? A, medical ethics committee, or B, research advisory group, or C, institutional review board, or D, clinical trial panel? The correct answer is C, institutional review board. What is the goal of recruitment in trials? A, participant enrollment, or B, data analysis, or C, participant retention, or D, funding acquisition? The correct answer is A, participant enrollment. What term refers to the collection of quantitative data? A, case studies, or B, qualitative analysis, or C, data visualization, or D, quantitative research? The correct answer is D, quantitative research. What type of trial studies drug effects over time? A, cross-sectional study, or B, experimental trial, or C, longitudinal study, or D, case study? The correct answer is C, longitudinal study. What established ethical guidelines for human research? A, good clinical practice, or B, Declaration of Helsinki, or C, Nuremberg Code, or D, Belmont Report? The correct answer is B, Declaration of Helsinki. What is the title of the study's lead investigator? A, chief scientist, or B, principal investigator, or C, lead researcher, or D, senior analyst? The correct answer is B, principal investigator. What review process considers potential conflicts of interest? A, quality assessment, or B, ethics review, or C, peer review, or D, data validation? The correct answer is B, ethics review. What kind of trial collects data in real time? A, retrospective study, or B, meta-analysis, or C, prospective trial, or D, cross-sectional survey? The correct answer is C, prospective trial. What term refers to a lack of blinding in studies? A, double-blind, or B, concealed method, or C, open label, or D, single-blind? The correct answer is C, open label. What consists of standard measures for evaluating interventions? A, outcome measures, or B, control groups, or C, experimental designs, or D, impact assessments? The correct answer is A, outcome measures. What specific role does a biostatistician play? A, clinical trials manager, or B, lab equipment technician, or C, data analysis, or D, pharmaceutical sales representative? The correct answer is C, data analysis. What analysis helps detect potential data errors? A, error verification, or B, integrity analysis, or C, performance audit, or D, data recovery? The correct answer is B, integrity analysis. What is the primary focus of a feasibility study? A. Environmental impact, or B. Cost analysis, or C. Market research, or D. Trial viability? The correct answer is D. Trial viability. What guiding principle helps balance risk with potential benefits? A. Negligence, or B. Retributive justice, or C. Beneficence, or D. Utilitarianism? The correct answer is C. Beneficence. What helps assess the impact of treatment on quality of life? A. Surrogate endpoints, or B. Clinical trial results, or C. Blood test outcomes, or D. Patient-reported outcome? The correct answer is D. Patient-reported outcome. What type of trial eliminates selection bias? A. Cross-sectional study, or B. Cohort study, or C. Randomized trial, or D. Case control study? The correct answer is C. Randomized trial. What kind of data shows trends across larger populations? A. Survey responses, or B. Epidemiological data, or C. Clinical trials, or D. Personal anecdotes? The correct answer is B. Epidemiological data. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.